How to make an ice cream soda. You will need a 16 or 20 ounce cup, chocolate syrup, half and half, whipped cream, seltzer, and soft or hard ice cream. First, add 2 ounces of syrup to the cup and 2 ounces of half and half and mix well until combined. Next, add your seltzer while stirring. Fill about 2/3 of the cup. If using soft serve, add a line of the ice cream down the side of the cup. It will foam a bit. Top off the cup with more seltzer and serve. How to make an ice cream float. You will need a 16 to 20 ounce cup, hard or soft ice cream, whipped cream, root beer. First, fill 2/3 of the cup with your soda. If using soft serve, add a line of ice cream down the side. If using hard ice cream, add a scoop. Wait for foam to settle and top off with the rest of your soda. Serve. You just got soft served with knowledge, but don't worry, you were meant for this. Visit HillandMarks.com today or contact your sales rep to learn more about our ice cream products.